Most people think One Piece. Chapter 1176 is just another chapter in the story, but hidden inside this chapter is a detail that could completely change how we understand the current battle. For the first time, we see the mysterious power called Domi Reversi in action, and the way this ability works raises a very dangerous question. What if this power can bring someone back who we believed was already dead? For example, Rox D. Zebek. Before jumping to conclusions, let's break down everything that actually happened in chapter 1176. The chapter begins with a beautiful color spread showing the Straw Hat Pirates walking across a massive pile of treasure. It's a classic adventurous moment, but the story quickly returns to the chaos of the battlefield. The events continue exactly where the previous chapter ended. Loki's massive attack has just shaken the entire battlefield, and Frankie is watching the aftermath carefully. At the same time, Lilith is working with the strange machine. This device is revealed to be the Omnidrain Converter, also known as the ODC. According to Lilith, Elbaf contains a unique type of energy that can be converted into an extremely powerful fuel source, and that's exactly what she gives to Frankie. Instead of his usual cola, Lilith hands him a new fuel called Vegapunk Super Cola. The moment Frankie uses it, even he is surprised by how much stronger and faster he suddenly feels. But before we can see the full extent of this new power, the situation changes again. In another part of the battlefield, someone reports seeing a gigantic dragon that looked even larger than Kaido. The surprising detail is that Luffy was actually riding on its back. Nami doesn't seem very shocked by this. At this point, Luffy doing something unbelievable is almost normal. Nami and Jinbei then move toward the school building to stop the spreading fire. Using her Clim attack, Nami commands Zeus, and within moments, heavy rain begins to fall. For a moment, it looks like the fire might finally be under control. But that moment of hope doesn't last long. Suddenly, Killingham appears and immediately makes it clear that putting out the fire is completely against their plan. Their goal is not just destruction. Their goal is to erase history itself. Right after that, terrifying dream monster suddenly appears. Before anyone can react, the creature devours Zeus, and the rain stops instantly. The battlefield becomes even more dangerous. Just when the situation begins to look hopeless, Lilith and Frankie return to the fight. Lilith activates her machine again. Not only does it absorb the smoke from the fire, but it also freezes the surrounding flames almost instantly, turning them into solid ice. With this new power source running through his body, Frankie launches a powerful attack. At the same time, Jinbei steps in with his fishman karate techniques, while Sanji activates his Ifrit Jambe. The three fighters attack together, and their combined strength overwhelms the dream monster. In the final moment of the clash, Sanji delivers a devastating kick to Killingham's head, shattering his helmet completely. But while this battle is happening, something even stranger is unfolding in West Village. The people affected by Domi Reversi keep coming back to life again and again. This is when Dory and Brogy begin to understand something important about this mysterious ability. To test their theory, they actually cut off each other's heads. For a brief moment, it looks fatal, but only seconds later, their heads reconnect and they return to life. That's when Jarul realizes something crucial. He announces that they have finally discovered the weakness of Domi Reversi. If the affected individuals are struck with enough force, they can break free and return to their original state. Because of this discovery, the warriors of Elbaf decide to fight with their full strength. But even after all of this action, one question remains in the minds of many fans. Is Rox Dig Zebek truly dead? We know that in the past, both Garp and Roger fought together to defeat him, during the famous God Valley incident. It is later said that Figarland Garling delivered the final blow. But here's the strange part. We have never actually seen that moment clearly shown in the story. And in the world of One Piece, there is one rule that longtime fans know very well. If a character's death is not clearly shown, the story might not be over. This is exactly why some fans are starting to wonder whether Rock's story could still have a hidden twist waiting in the future. However, based on everything we currently know, the most likely explanation is that Rox was severely injured during the battle and eventually died from those injuries. Still, One Piece has surprised us many times before, so the real truth might only be revealed in the chapters to come. For now, we also know that next week there will be a break, which means there will be no new chapter release. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next One Piece update.